Can drinking the right juice before bed actually help your eyes repair while you sleep? Yes, it can. Every night while you sleep, your body performs its most powerful healing work. But if your eyes aren't getting the right nutrients, that healing slows down. And after 60, your eyes need all the support they can get. Today we'll explore 4 powerful bedtime juices that can help protect your eyes, fight age-related vision loss, and even reduce dry eye, floaters, and blurry vision. No medications, just nature's simplest remedy. Right in a glass. 2. Why eyes deteriorate after 60. Our eyes age just like the rest of the body. But here's the problem. The tiny blood vessels and delicate structures in the eyes are extremely sensitive to poor circulation, inflammation, and lack of nutrients. As you reach your 60s and beyond, you may notice blurred or fuzzy vision, eye fatigue or strain when reading, increased sensitivity to light, dry, itchy, or watery eyes, trouble seeing at night, eye floaters, or cloudy spots. Many of these issues stem from oxidative stress, a weakened retina, low eye moisture, and poor blood flow to the eye. That's where targeted nighttime nutrition comes in. 3. Why juicing at night works. You might ask, why juice before bed? Because while you sleep, your body enters a state of deep repair. It rebuilds tissue, clears out toxins, and restores organ function, including your eyes. And juices? They deliver nutrients quickly, without the work of digestion. This makes them ideal for evening healing. The key is to choose juices rich in antioxidants to fight oxidative damage, vitamin A, C, E for the retina, cornea, and lens, lutein and zeaxanthin, protective eye pigments, zinc and omega-3s for tear production and focus, anti-inflammatory compounds. Let's break down the 4 best juices for eye repair after 60. 4. Juice number 1, Carrot plus Turmeric Glow. This classic combo is a powerhouse for the retina. Why it works. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, essential for the retina and night vision. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound that supports tiny eye capillaries. A pinch of black pepper helps your body absorb the curcumin more effectively. Recipe: 2 medium carrots, 1/2 apple, 1/2 inch turmeric root, or 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Squeeze of lemon. Optional, black pepper, pinch. Benefits: supports night vision, reduces inflammation, improves blood flow to the eye. Drink this 1 hour before bed, and let the vitamin A go to work while you rest. 5. Juice number 2, Blueberry Spinach Detox. This one's loaded with eye-healing antioxidants. Why it works. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, which strengthen eye blood vessels. Spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthin, which form a protective shield over the retina and filter harmful blue light. This combination helps slow macular degeneration and reduce light sensitivity. Recipe: 1/2 cup blueberries, fresh or frozen. Handful of spinach, 1/2 banana, 1/2 cup water or almond milk. Benefits: protects from screen damage and sun glare. Repairs retina. Great for people with macular degeneration or floaters. Make it thick or thin depending on your preference, but this green-blue beauty is best taken right before sleep. 6. Juice number 3, Cucumber Aloe Hydrator. Perfect for dry, itchy, or tired eyes. Why it works. Cucumber is 95% water and filled with silica, which supports collagen and the fluid around the eyes. Aloe vera is extremely soothing and anti-inflammatory, great for dry or red eyes. Mint adds a refreshing touch and helps with digestion at night. Recipe: 1 cucumber, peeled, 1 tablespoon aloe vera juice, food grade only. Few mint leaves, 1/2 lime, optional. Benefits: hydrates eye tissues. Helps with tear production, soothes tired, inflamed eyes. If you suffer from dry eyes, try this juice for a few nights and notice the difference. 7. Juice number 4, Tart Cherry Omega Booster. This one's a double benefit for your eyes and your sleep. Why it works. Tart cherries are one of the few natural sources of melatonin, which helps regulate sleep. And the better your sleep, the better your eye repair. Cherries also contain vitamin C and antioxidants that help with retinal function. Add a teaspoon of chia seeds or flax seeds, and you get omega-3s, which keep the eye's outer surface moist and sharp. Recipe: 1/2 cup tart cherry juice, 1/2 cup water, 1 teaspoon chia or flax seed soaks 15 minutes. Stir well and drink slowly. Benefits: improves sleep supports, focus and moisture, fights retinal thinning. 8. Creating a nighttime eye routine. You don't need all 4 juices every night. Here's a simple weekly rotation: Monday and Thursday, carrot plus turmeric glow. Tuesday and Saturday, blueberry spinach. Detox, Wednesday and Sunday. Cucumber, aloe. Friday, tart cherry, omega. Booster. Tips: always drink your juice at least 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. Avoid caffeine or heavy meals before bed. Add a warm compress over your eyes for 5 to 10 minutes to increase circulation. Sleep in a completely dark room to protect melatonin and retinal function. 9. Final words. Your eyesight is precious, and after 60, it deserves more attention than ever. These juices are not a miracle cure, but they support your body's natural repair system. They hydrate, nourish, and protect your vision at the time your body does its deepest healing, while you sleep. Stay consistent, drink these juices, and give your eyes the care they deserve. Subscribe to this channel if you want more natural health tips after 60. Like this video to help spread awareness about senior eye health. Comment below. Which juice will you try first?